how I edited my first YouTube video. I am Sina and a kindergarten teacher in a public school in Switzerland. Today I will show you how I made my first video on YouTube. It was amazingly good since I never did that before. If you want to know how I did this, stick with this video. During the lockdown, I wanted to reach out to the kids and parents. Since uploading videos on platforms isn't for free and the data often has too much volume, I decided to do it on YouTube. My boyfriend was absolutely happy about this decision. Indeed, he was proud and supporting since he's doing YouTube videos for almost a year then. First, Skript. The first step was to know what I wanted to tell. In fact, I just thought of the parents being home without further information, modeled through the unnormal daily routine. I wanted to give them tips I knew as a kindergarten teacher, as well as being a sister of many siblings. Second, filming tools. My boyfriend showed me a tool which I could use with his iPhone, owing the fact that I used just a Honor. Important to realize is that the app is only for Apple and costs around $10, but you only buy it once. It helps you filming with all these functions. I don't know all of them, so if you wish to have more information about the app, click on this video where he is explaining it. Filming. It is pretty easy as you only need good lights, for example sunlights. I opened my curtains and let the shutters up. I started to record, but actually it wasn't good. I often needed my boyfriend's help. One time I had too low light. Another time the angle of the video was too close. Another time too wide. And after 5 times recording, I gave up and didn't care anymore. Then I made the last recording just being myself, not thinking about the video I did or why again I am doing it. It came out amazing. I was shocked about the good quality the iPhone X had. Cutting. Since I already knew iMovie, I created some funny videos in my school time. I started to cut the video. Actually, iMovie is for free and you can use it with Mac devices. It is clearly a fantastic tool where you can try and sort out different things. With a view to the digital change, it is useful to know how cutting videos works. Publish. The next step costed me self-confidence more than just filming and working on a new project. It is one to do something, but another to show it in public. I'm not the type who puts herself to the headlights. But it was clearly marvelous that I, as a teacher, never having a computer for the first 3 years I was teaching, public schools thought kindergarten teachers do not need one for writing emails or preparing lessons or worksheets. Both all they figured out we do need them too. But it was clearly marvelous that I, as a teacher, bring up a product like this. My boyfriend pushed me beyond my low self-esteem and convinced me to not only publish it, but also advertise it on different platforms like Facebook and others. This is my experience publishing my first YouTube video. Provided I did all these steps in just a few hours, I knew how addicted one can get. Finally, I started to understand my boyfriend for working day long and night long on his computer, filming and cutting. But down to the product, I felt proud and started to see that with little can be done so much.